All Kinds of Ears by Jackie Thomas. Some animals have big ears to hear. Some animals have big ears. Some animals have small ears to hear. And some animals hear with no ears at all. This fox has very big ears. This fox lives in a hot place. Big ears help keep the fox cool. This fox has small ears. This fox lives in a cold place. Small ears help keep the fox warm. Some animals hear without any ears you can see. A fish can hear, but you cannot see its ears. Its ears are inside its body. A snake can hear, but it does not have ears. A snake can feel sounds. An insect can hear, but it does not have ears. An insect uses hairs on its body to feel sound. A bird can hear. It has small ears, but they are covered with feathers.